Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad ZAKARIA and I'm gonna present the introduction for this report. Today we are presenting on the true giant in the automotive industry, which is the Toyota Motor Corporation. As you can see the screen, Toyota is not just a car manufacturer, it is a global leader and currently stands as one of the largest company in the world. Their brand portfolio includes not just Toyota but also Lexus, Daihatsu and Hino. So we continue to the history session. However, the company's origins might surprise you. It actually began in the textile industry in 1924. Founder Sakichi Toyoda invented an automated loom. This introduced the concept of jidoka or automation with a human touch, which is a core philosophy they still use today. In a major strategic shift, they sold their loom patent right in 1939 to fund the development of automotive technology. By 1937, the automotive division spun off to become an independent company, changing the name from Toyota to Toyota for better branding and luck. So we're moving on the proof and where they are today. Toyota's rise to the top was not accidental. It was driven by lean manufacturing. They developed the famous just-in-time inventory system and Kaizen, or continuous improvement, which became the gold standard for efficiency worldwide. They expanded globally, launching the Lexus Luxury division and becoming a sustainability pioneer with the Prius in 1997.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is AINA BATRISYA Binti AZIZ and my metric number is B062510C29. Now I will present about the relevant roles of management in Toyota. As we know that Toyota is the one of the largest vehicle manufacturers in the world, so there are some relevance in the Toyota that success the company. First of all, they have a board of directors. The key responsibilities related to the governance and strategic directions are overseen and reported to the board, who cares by AINA Toyota. They are responsible for the overall strategic directions and company of the company and also selection of the top executive. Next, top manager, the part of the top level management including CEO, COO, CFO and many more. In this part, they are responsible to set the company vision and develop the rules and strategy for the organizations. The essential skill of the top manager needs are leadership, communication skill and strategist thinking to ensure the long-term success of the company. For the middle manager, they are responsible for specific department or business functions within the company. Their main role is to translate the goals and strategic plans of upper management into the operational action. The last one is first line manager. First line manager refer to the junior level manager who oversee the tasks of the non-managerial employees and are responsible for ensuring that the organization's goals are achieved daily. Why does it happen is because to maintain a high quality and reputation of the global trends, Toyota maintain a high product quality through strong governance and the Toyota Production System, which is TPS. TDOCA allows the defect to be detected and fixed immediately to ensure consistent quality and protect Toyota's brand reputation. Next, reducing waste and operating costs through process efficiency. Toyota reduces waste and increases efficiency using the TPS practices such as a Kaizen, just-in-time, GIT, and close suppliers collaboration help the lower costs. At the same time, product quality and competitiveness are maintained.
Next, to help facing fierce competition in the global automotive industry, Toyota faces intense global competition and relies on strong corporate governance to stay competitive. Top management drive innovation such as fuel-efficient, hybrid and safe vehicle to meet customers' needs. Quality control teams ensure consistent global standard, maintaining Toyota's reliability, customers' trust and long-term competitiveness. Lastly, to ensure compliance with international regulation and standard, Toyota ensure compliance with international regulation through global policy set by top management and the board of directors. Legal and compliance team monitors law and standard to avoid penalties, reduce risk, maintain access to global market and protect the company's reputation.
Where this happens, Toyota headquarters in Japan, strategy and governance level. Toyota headquarters in Japan manage corporate governance and strategic planning. The board of directors and top management decide on the company visions, quality policies, and major investment. They also guide the developments of hybrid and electrical vehicles technologies to align the global operational with Toyota values. Next, Toyota manufacturing plants worldwide operational level. Toyota manufacturing plant around the world apply strategies from the headquarters. TPS practices like Jidoka and Kaizen improve efficiency, quality control, and waste reductions. Workers, engineers, and managers ensure the strong performance in their product quality and productivity.
Next, global supply chain coordination and control level. Toyota's global supply chain coordinates activities across countries and treats suppliers as long-term partners. This supports the just-in-time JIT system, ensuring timely deliveries, lower inventory costs, stable production, and consistent global quality. Lastly, international market performance evaluation level. The international market reflects Toyota's governance and operational performance. Customer feedback on quality, safety, and reliability is analyzed for continuous improvement, helping Toyota meet customers' needs, maintain loyalty, and strengthen its global competitiveness. Next, governing factors in Toyota. The first one is the Toyota Production System, TPS. Eliminates waste and ensure high-quality production through just-in-time, JNT, and Jidoka. JNT reduces inventory and overproduction, while Jidoka detects defect early, boosting efficiency, reliability, and customer satisfaction. The second one is Kaizen. Kaizen at Toyota drive continuous improvement by involving all employees, reducing waste, enhancing qualities, and boosting efficiency. Using tools like vision boards and team discussion, Toyota improve processes, teamwork, and work-term competitiveness.
For governing factors is lean manufacturing. Toyota uses lean manufacturing to improve efficiency and reduce waste. This result is a smoother production, lower costs, and better product quality. Customer satisfaction is also increased. Why? For the quality controls, Toyota's quality control system ensure every vehicle meets safety and performance standards. It reduces defects and waste while lowering costs. This builds strong customer trust. How does Toyota overcome these factors? For strengths, Toyota's strengths include skilled employees, strong financial resources, and advanced technology. It leads in hybrid vehicle, launching in Prius in 1997 as the first mass-produced hybrid car. This innovation supports environmental sustainability and strengthens Toyota's reputations. Why? For opportunities are situations that help the company generate more income. Toyota can expand into the emerging markets such as Brazil, India, and Philippines, where the large population will create high demand for vehicles. By introducing new products in this market, Toyota can increase sales, reduce production costs, and strengthen its brands. This region also offers strong potential for long-term growth.
Meanwhile, the weaknesses is Toyota's cautious corporate culture, slow decision-making, and innovation, which may delay response to market trends. This can lead some customers to choose faster-moving competitors, potentially affecting market share and sales. Lastly, the threat. Toyota faces external threats from emerging competitors offering modern designs and advanced features. To stay competitive, Toyota should invest in creative design teams to attract younger buyers, boost sales, and strengthen its global market position.
First is Toyota Production System, TPS. TPS was created by Toyota to be a complete approach to manufacturing and managing with the goal of eliminating waste model, to increase operational efficiency and improving the quality of product that they produce. The TPS relies on two foundations, just in time. ZAKARIA is Toyota produce only what is needed when the need is quantity, and Jidoka, which give machine and employee the authority to stop production if they detect a problem and or defect TPS is a trusted, sustainable system because it implies both process efficiency and employee development. Employees are encouraged to identify and solve problems at their source, creating a culture of responsibility, continuous improvement, and respect for people. This not only improve the performance of the organization but also lead to long-term excellence. Planning. Toyota planning effort management formula target for the reduction of waste, improvement of quality and enhancement of productivity. These targets are created by analyzing current production performance, defining production efficiency, forecasting future production demand, and aligning operational goal with management overall business strategy to achieve continued improvement and long-term sustainable growth. Organization. For organization, production line resources and standard work process are organized systematically by defining role, responsibility, and standard SOP for each department, so there are consistent flow of information and material through the department, as well as consistent throughout the manufacturing process. With this type of organization, such as we can reduce vulnerability, enhance communication between all departments. Leadership, as it pertains to leading, managers should motivate, guide and empower the employee to solve problems and pursue continuous improvement through promotional opportunity, training opportunity, and establish a culture of teamwork, accountability, and innovation. Controlling assess performance within organization through an ongoing process of measure KPI. Example of KPI include defect creative, inventory level, the time it takes to produce good or service. The manager job involves assessing the performance and forecasting whether it deviates from KPI they are trying to achieve. If it does, the manager must take action to correct the situation so that efficiency and quality are maintained.
Let's look at Kaizen, which means continuous improvement at Toyota. Kaizen is more than just a tool. It is a culture. It involves everyone from frontline worker to senior management. In terms of management function, from planning, Toyota practice Genchi Genbutsu, which means going to the actual place. Managers observe the workspace firsthand to understand the root cause of problem before setting target. For organization, they form Kaizen group across different levels to encourage collaboration and teamwork. For leadership, leaders empower employees through the AINA system. This means workers are authorized to stop the production line immediately if a quality issue is detected. The last one is control. Effectiveness is evaluated using the PDCA cycle to ensure improvement are sustainable and consistent.
Total Quality Control (TQC). Toyota organization process should focus on quality per total quality management (TQM). Therefore, at Toyota, quality is the job of every employee rather than simply the quality department. We believe in TQM because it is costly to have quality error in the automotive sector. Fixing defect before manufacturing process is significantly less expensive and more efficient than fixing fault in final product. Planning is setting clear objective for quality and customer satisfaction by identifying customer expectation, establish measurable quality objective, and aligning is the organization process with the quality standard established to achieve consistent quality. It is product and service. Organization organized is the implementation of standard operating procedures SOP, the information of quality control structure, work and activity for creating of responsibility, encouraging teamwork in maintaining and improving quality in all areas of the organization. Leadership is leading, is creating a culture of quality and providing leadership by motivation employees to incorporate quality into their daily work. Provide ongoing training and development in quality, ensuring management commitment to quality excellence and continuous improvement. Controlling is the process of regular performing audit and inspection, analyze customer feedback, and perform performance data. Monitoring employee adherence to quality standard, identify deviation from quality standard, taking corrective action, and ensure continued improvement.
Next, we move to lean manufacturing, also known as the Toyota Production System (TPS). TPS is built on two main pillars. The first one is just-in-time (JIT). We only produce what is needed, when is it needed, and in the amount needed. This is highly effective in reducing inventory costs. The second one is JIDOKA. This refers to automation with a human touch. It allows machine to stop automatically if a defect occurs, preventing bad quality from moving downstream. From a management perspective, we go to planning first. It is focused on actual customer demand to avoid overproduction and excess inventory. From organization, The factory layout is systematically organized to ensure a smooth workflow and reduce unnecessary movement. The last one is leadership and control. Management continuously monitors KPIs such as defect rates and cycle times. This allows for prompt corrective action to ensure production goals are met.
Going to the conclusion, which is to conclude our analysis, Toyota's journey from a loop maker to an automotive leader is a perfect example of effective business and organizational management. Their success comes down to a few key factors, which is the first one is an organizational structure. They utilize a robust hierarchy that ensures effective communication across global operation. And then the second one is competitive advantage. This is their secret sauce that combines the Toyota production system, the culture of Kaizen and Jidoka. So the third one is the 4 pillars of management. We observe that Toyota expertly applies planning, leading, organizing and controlling to eliminate waste and guarantee quality. While they face threats from the new EVs competitors, they are dominant in hybrid technology that give them a sustainable strategic advantage moving forward. Finally, before we end, we want to share what our group personally took away from this project. At first, we saw theory turn into practice, which is seeing how management theories like just-in-time actually maximize efficiency in the real world, give us deep insight that textbook alone could not provide. So we're going to the Kaizen section. That we also learn about the power of Kaizen and employee empowerment, which is it was inspiring to learn that Toyota allows any worker to stop the production, the deadline if they see a flaw. This taught us that quality is a shared responsibility that just not a mandate from the top. So the next one is the resource management. Lastly, regarding resource management, we gain a practical understanding of how strategic allocation can save costs while keeping a company competitive globally. So that's all from me.